channel. So this video was obviously filmed when I was at uni 3 years ago. It was my last year at uni, but I thought now's the time that everyone is now looking for their accommodation, or maybe people have done it already. I'm guessing uni's back to normal from September. I think so. So yeah, I'm guessing people will be looking for their accommodation now if they haven't already, and I can now say what I went to already. I mean, people probably already know. I went to De Montfort in Leicester, and for my final year I stayed in Merlin Heights. That was the name of my accommodation, and I filmed a room tour at the time and then just never uploaded it because then uni literally consumed my life and there was no time for YouTube, or I just wasn't in the headspace. So I was just like, nah, I got things to do. So here's my room tour. I really like staying in Merlin Heights. To be fair, all of my uni accommodations were amazing, but I think Merlin Heights was my favourite. So I stayed in, I think it was called like silver gold rooms. I think it was a gold room I stayed in, and it was me, my best friend Olivia, and 2 other people. We all had our own rooms with an ensuite, and then we shared the kitchen living room area, but basically it was just me and Olivia because the other 2 didn't really use the kitchen living room space. In this uni room tour I haven't actually showed the kitchen living room space, but I've showed like my bedroom and the ensuite. I will link their website down below if you're going to uni in Leicester, whether it's De Montfort or uni of. I mean, it's kind of a bit far from uni of, but it's basically in town. So please enjoy my room tour, and hopefully this can help any of you guys that are looking for accommodation in Leicester. And I think the price, I don't know what the prices are now, but they were good at the time, and I think the deposit was only £100. But again, I'll link the website below and you can see all the information there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So from the door, this is what my room looks like. So this is literally the beginning, and straight down is the room, and on the left this door is the bathroom. Clothing rail, I have like some hooks on the wall and I just put my coats and stuff on there. And then I have my clothes horse and an umbrella, a mirror, and then we go further into the room. So by my bed I have this like storage bit. So I've got that on there on the top of it. And on the bottom I have some storage. Actually my favourite section of the room. I just think this is really cute. So this is my bed, and I've got just plain white bed covers from IKEA, and this pink throw is from IKEA as well, and my cushions, the 2 pink cushions are from IKEA with the cushion covers, and the white fluffy cushion is from HomeSense. And then I bought some lights off Amazon because I really wanted some lights in my room, and I put up these pictures. So I bought the frames from IKEA and they were really cheap, they were like 60p I think, and then I just I've got pictures with family and friends, and I just wanted all the pictures to be black and white. And then there is the window. So I bought this clothing rail from Argos, and it was silver and pink, and I just spray painted the bars white because obviously my theme is pink and white. And then I come to my desk.
which is a little bit messy at the minute, but like this is probably the tidiest my room gets.